Good afternoon, Jose. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So let's take a look at your website, see what's going on, see what we can improve upon. So I like that you have your logo in the top left corner over here with your name. That's excellent. We want that. You have your click to call button, which is great. I would say, leave as is, and then you have your gallery and everything like that. So testimonials and gallery are a little you don't really need it. The let's get started, I'm assuming, is, contact us. That's great. So overall, really good. Only thing, no, actually, that's excellent. Have it down. I wouldn't say why us. I would switch it to about us, so people are curious. But just scrolling through, it's good. I don't like how this follows me down the page because it does take up space from when I'm trying to search. But overall, kitchen remodel, read more, bathroom remodeling, read more, home improvement, read more, excellent. You want those. Um, and they have links that go somewhere else to another page. That's excellent. Why us? Again, maybe about us, but why us is good too. Um, I can't say, as far as like marketing or just anything goes, never like kind of mention that you have a financing program. I mean, only talk about that, I guess, on the back end. It may, I mean, hey, I'm not here to say anything. If it works, it works. And then, testimonials, there's no real reason to have those, but as you go through, put your information in. I'm not a robot. Excellent. And then your footer. So that's good. These are links. Click the call button, Dallas Fort Worth, Texas. Really solid website. Only thing I'm going to say is Google really wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page alone. Um, it really helps with content, getting those keywords in, and a keyword is something that somebody would search for. So, for example, you have a customer or a client looking for your services or a service, they're going to put in, the service they're looking for in the city. So, painters, Dallas, Texas. And, we want, to have a lot of those in there so we can find out, so people can find you and, Google ranks you higher for those. So let's just take a look behind the scenes, see what's going on with your website. So right now you have a UR rating of 5, which is how strong your website is, and then a DR rating, which is how much Google trusts you at a 4.5. Now the ratio is 1 to 1, but we want them in their 30s. Now, the way you get that higher is with backlinks. So the more backlinks you have, the better. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are, really good backlinks. So a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else. And you want them always to refer back to you. So the more referring domains you have, the better. Now, some of those are going to be better than others. So if you have a Reddit, referring domain, that's not really good. But if you have a blog that talks a lot about, painting, and it refers back to you, that's really good. Now, organic keywords are going to be very important. It's what you're ranking for if somebody searches for those words. So let's take a look and see what they are. So your words are RPS Texas, which is you. Kitchen remodeling Dallas is the only one that's not you. That's an excellent keyword. It's getting 500 people a month searching for it. You unfortunately are not getting any traffic from it because of your position. You're on like the 6th page. People don't look on the 6th page that much. People barely go to the 2nd page, so you're not getting a lot of traffic to your website for this. Now, if we just scroll through, you got a lot of Dallas home improvement. That's very general, even though it's area specific. So let's see, bathroom remodeling, Dallas, Texas, excellent keyword, 250 people searching. Again, zero traffic because you're not in a position to get it. So the only way we gotta boost this up is by backlinks. We gotta get more of those in there, and we have to have good, strong referring domains. So you got Dallas kitchen remodeling 500, remodelers 500. These are excellent. We are not getting traffic because of the position. So we gotta increase our ranking up. So let's actually take a look at a different kind of generic keyword, right? Painters, Dallas, Texas. So if I put that in, immediately we'll get different kind of handyman. These people are all paid for positions. So are these two over here? Another paid for position, but this itself is actually called the uh, Google My Business profile. Now there are multiple ways of getting in on here, and we can always talk about that at a later date. But 30 to 40% of everyone coming to Google to search for something is going to one of these three. So it's very important to get up there. But then after that, you got your generic search. So this is where you can organically rank so that your website is the first thing they see. As you can see, the first 3 are just, Hughes, Home Advisor, Yelp. People don't care for them as much. People want to get to somebody who's real, like Big Al's Painting. So let's take a look at him. So he's got a strong website, drop down menu just like you do, corner, click the call button, And then as we scroll through, he's got a lot of these keywords in here, which are really good. So, painting of Dallas, Texas, even this itself, Dallas, Texas painters, is an excellent keyword to use. And as you scroll through, he definitely has over 2,000 words in his homepage, roughly right about. And then, obviously, big, huge keyword right here, interior house painters in Dallas, Texas. Huge. So we want to obviously capitalize on that by also letting people know exactly what we do. So interior painters, he's going to go through exactly what he's doing here, but then also have keywords inside of here as well. And that's a big deal. And he's ranking for all of these different keywords. He's got a lot of content in here. A lot of it is unnecessary at the same time, but otherwise, it's working, it's working. And that's obviously click the call button again. So he's got those littered throughout the site, which is what you want. Now let's take a look behind the scenes for him, see what's really ticking. So his domain, his trust, not trust, but his strength in website is 17, which is good, except his trust rating with Google is very bad. So it lets me know that he has a lot of backlinks, but not a lot of these 103 referring domains are actually very good. So that's one thing. So easy to beat. But then let's look at organic keywords, right? So he has 314 of them, but let's take a look at what they actually are. So in this example, it's painters, right? So painters Dallas, house painters. So he's very specific in what it is that he has as a keyword. And you can do this for any manner of things. So for remodeling, you can do it for kitchen remodeling. You can do it for a whole bunch of stuff. As you saw, the volume was there. It's just you didn't have the position for it. So as you can see, he's actually got the volume, getting the traffic, and he's in the position for it. So he's doing all three of those things. He's got the keywords with high volume. He's getting the traffic because he has the position readily available for him. And as you can see, all of these are very keyword specific. It's house painter. This is what somebody's looking for and where they're looking for it. So they're very, very buyer intent. So how does this help you out, Jose? So honestly, all we really got to do is we got to increase your backlinks. We want more backlinks than your competitors, but we want strong ones. So all we would do is honestly look at the strong referring domains and just get them over to you. We can find out what they're using and hand it over. And then we'd obviously increase your content on the front page to about 2,000 words, getting all those keywords in there so you can start ranking for them. So we can start getting you some organic traffic. Even if you brought in 200 people through your website, that's 200 people who are calling you now that you can potentially get a job from. Now, that's all I got. I hope this was really helpful for you, Jose. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you got any feedback, of course, that's something I'd like to know as well. You have a wonderful day, man. Bye.